Hey guys, Richie here from Promt Parts. Today I want to talk about something that's completely changed the way I think about propellers, and that's the Rubex hub kit by Solas. If you're looking for a flexible, cost-effective way to boost your boat's performance, this is a game changer. Traditional propellers come with a fixed hub. That means you're stuck with that one propeller no matter what kind of boating you're doing. The Rubex hub kit changes all of that. This interchangeable hub system lets you choose from a wide range of high-performance propellers, options you probably didn't even know existed for your boat. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, giving you flexibility to match your propeller to the exact needs. So what makes the RBX hub kit so special? Let's take a look. First, interchangeable hubs. This is where the magic happens. You can select from a wide range of propellers that historically may have not had the right fitment for your motor. Swapping propellers is still easy. You remove the propeller, you remove the hub kit from your propeller, and install it to your new propeller, or the propeller you're going to use for the next outing. This means you're not locked into one propeller. Going fishing? Use a prop with great low-end torque. Want to crank up the speed and do some water skiing? Just swap to a high-performance prop. Now let's talk about why you need the RBX system. First, improved performance. By choosing the right propeller for your boat, you can seriously optimize your performance, gaining up to 10% in fuel economy, even that 5 knots you've been looking for. Being able to select the right propeller for your boat is crucial to optimizing its performance. Then there's versatility. Whether you're fishing, cruising, or need extra power for tow sports, the RBX systems let you tailor your setup to your activity. And finally, protection. RBX hub kits can protect your gearbox against internal damage caused from impact. This hub kit's out of a customer's boat. He's hit a rock, the hub kit's broken, split in half, which has protected his internal components of his gearbox, bought a new hub kit, out boating the next day. This hub kit was on a propeller that had a submerged rock underwater. It's shorn and protected his internal gearbox components from damage. So if you're ready to upgrade your boat's performance, the RBX hub kit's for you. Finding the right hub for your engine is easy. Just visit promptparts.co.nz and use your intuitive prop finder tool. Navigate to engine make, horsepower, year and model, and look for the View Hub button. Thanks for watching. For all your marine parts, promptparts.co.nz, from prop to helm and everything in between.